The surface area of a solid figure is the sum of the areas of all the faces or surfaces of the figure. Surface area is measured in square units. To find the surface area of a figure, find the area of all the surfaces and then add them together. Okay, so when we talk about surface area, we're finding the surface area of three-dimensional figures. You can see a rectangular prism here. We're going to find the area of each side and then we're going to add it together. Now, one way to help you do that is to use a net. A net is an arrangement of two-dimensional figures that'll fold up to give you a three-dimensional figure. Okay, so let's look at a little video of that. Okay, down here at the bottom you're going to see a three-dimensional figure and how it can unfold into a net. Okay, here's your prism, and it unfolds, and you can see all the sides. Okay, so we're going to find the surface area of a figure by using a net. You can see up here we have a rectangular prism, and if you unfolded it, you would have a net. You have a flat figures like this, and we can find the area. So you can see right here in figure A, it's 4 centimeters by 3 centimeters. So the area of that figure, the area of A, is 12 centimeters square. And remember, area is the number of square units that will fit inside a figure without overlapping. So you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're going to find the area of each figure and add them all together. Okay, you can see B is a square. This side is 3. This side is also 3. So we're going to do the length times the width and get 9 centimeters square. Okay, C, you can see in here, now in rectangles the opposite sides are the same length. So this side up here was 4, so this side is 4. This side over here was 3, so we know that this side's going to be 3. The area of figure C is 12 centimeters square. Now let's look at our rectangular prism for a minute. If you imagine that this is a net of that, side C would be the bottom. You could fold side D up and it would be this side right here. B would be the other side across from this that you can't see. Okay? So D here is the same as B. Okay, it's 3 by 3. So the area of side D is 9 centimeters square. Okay, let's go to side E. If C was the bottom, then figure E would be the top. So the area has to be the same. Okay, but it's 4 by 3, so it's going to be 12 centimeters square. And our final side, F, okay, so if we have 4, the opposite side is 4. Okay, and also, if side F is the front, or figure F is the front, then across from it would be figure A on the other side of this prism that you can't see. So A and F are going to be the same, but it's 4 by 3, so the area of that figure is 12 centimeters square. So we found the area of each side of this rectangular prism, but surface area is when you add all of those areas together. You're finding the area of all the sides, so I have to add these together, and I'm going to have 66 centimeters square. And a really good strategy when you're finding surface area, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Make sure that you found the area of 6 different sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now you're going to try it. You have the net of a rectangular prism. Okay, most of the sides have been labeled for you, but you know in rectangles that the opposite sides are the same length. So to find the area, the surface area of this figure, find the area of A, B, C, D, E, and F, and then add them together. Check your work. Make sure your work makes sense.